In this video, I'll show you how to make 3D pop-up bookmarks in Canva so you can create fun designs that stand out from the page. First, go to canva.com and log in. Click Create a Design and search for bookmark. Select the bookmark size to open your canvas. Now choose a free template from the left side or start with a blank design. Edit the background, change the text, and customize it with your own colors and fonts. To create the pop-up effect, go to Elements and add a shape, character, or graphic you like. The trick is to position part of that element so it extends slightly above the top edge of the bookmark. That's what will pop out when placed inside a book. Resize and adjust everything so the layout looks balanced. If you want a layered 3D look, duplicate an element and slightly offset it for depth. Once you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download and choose PDF print for high quality results. Print it on thick paper or cardstock, then carefully cut around the full shape, including the extended pop-out part. If you want extra durability, laminate it before cutting. And that's it. That's how you make pop-up 3D bookmarks in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more creative tutorials.